right, this video here, well, you ever had one of those days where nothing went right? This is one of them days. Anyway, I told you earlier that I'd post it all good, bad, and ugly. So here we go, and I'll talk to you afterwards.
You pop locked and dropped it.
yeah, I did that.
That has to be said.
Huh?
That has to be said on camera at some point.
You just now said it.
The pop lock and drop. Oh, the spot lock.
Here you go.
Thanks so much. Oh, I'm sorry, please.
He's biting.
Huh?
He's pinching.
Ooh, the crab? What do you do to him?
See, he's pinching both of them.
So you cut the pinchers off? Are you showing everybody what you're doing?
No.
Is it facing me or facing you?
Both.
Alright then. I might be able to handle it if I don't have to. Ooh, I don't know when it started crawling. Ooh. It looks like a spider from over here. I don't know that I can do it. Oh, don't put it close to me.
Well, it's on the hook. It ain't coming at you. I can guarantee you that.
You don't know.
Oh, wrong camera. Fiddler crabs. Thank you, Lord, for the day.
Get it, babe. Get it. Don't you have to let it fall to the bottom before you start popping it up?
I'm giving it slack.
I'm just giving it.
Well, right now is a good time. Current ain't even moving on it. I'm scared.
Macarena. Me too. What are you scared for?
I need to push off of this, and I ain't got nothing to push off with.
Where's your net?
Hold on. I didn't bring my net.
I just. Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
Here. Take another rod and push off. There you go. That's why it keeps me around. I got you.
Why is it? Oh, baby. Oh.
What?
You pushed the back end into it.
What you said?
Me. Fucking ass.
Hold on. Let me grab that.
Are you on this?
Yes, I told you I was. Okay.
Grab it.
I got it, honey. I have it.
Push off the front.
Take this.
How do you just pop it? Why is it not?
Is this where you gonna fish?
Yeah, I locked it.
You pop locked and dropped it.
yeah, I did that.
That has to be said.
Huh?
That has to be said on camera at some point.
You just now said it.
The pop, lock, and dropped of the spot lock.
Here you go.
Thanks so much.
I'm just trying to figure out why he keeps heading straight at us.
Okay. Well, I mean, I can start being like,
Oh, he sees us. Got a little foggy, didn't it?
what'd you say?
Got a little foggy, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Real fast.
Yeah.
God, that could have been a progressive commercial.
What, got a little foggy, didn't it?
Yeah, you had to talk to that kid, didn't you? Got a little foggy, didn't it? You're middle aged.
I ain't in the middle, babe.
No, what did they say when you're turning into your parents?
I think I passed the middle.
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, fuck, you did it. I think that's the name of the video. Got a little foggy, didn't it? I'm sorry, man. That'll be just for us. And everybody else for that tail. Does everybody come out here and just sit and watch the fog roll in?
I don't know what. There's some people up there fishing.
A bunch of people with their lights on.
Yeah, there's some people that. Video here that you just watched. It was my second time out with the new spot lock. Still love it. Love it. It is going to be a game changer. But I made the mistake. I thought I had it going forward, but it was actually going backwards, and it kind of got me a little too close to that rock wall. So that could have been bad. But in the mix of all that chaos, I'm assuming that I sit there and accidentally knocked the throttle out of neutral, and then when I went to sit there and crank the motor, it wouldn't crank, and I was like, "What in the world?" You know, it was just nothing was going right. So I'm checking gas lines, checking battery cables, just make sure everything's good, and it wasn't in neutral. For any of y'all that don't know, it has to be in neutral to crank. It will not crank without neutral. But anyway, so rest of the day on the boat, didn't catch any fish, none at all. Water temperature was still, it's still cold. It's 51 degrees. It's hit or miss right now, but just couldn't make it happen. And then take the boat back, load it on the boat trailer, and heading home, probably a mile from the house, and all of a sudden I hear, something is dragging. I'm like, I thought it was the muffler on my truck. But I pull over. It is not the muffler on the truck. The spot lock wasn't locked in the up position, so as it hit a bump, it deployed and was dragging the road. So needless to say, I have a little repair work to do on the spot lock. But anyway, good, bad, ugly. It is what it is. That's part of life. Live and learn. Still had a good day out there with my wife. All in all, everything being said and done, still, it's always good to be on the water. And I thank God for giving me the opportunity to be out there, and I learned my lessons. But anyway, like I always say, God bless, stay safe, and fish on.